Biomedical science aims to prepare the scientists for tomorrow. We aim to give our students as much lab time as possible because learning the hands-on skills is the best thing we can give them. In the first year, one of the key modules is skills for biomedical scientists. It's understanding the fundamental career that you will eventually go into. This then develops into cellular pathology and case-based learning in year 2, where teamwork and collaboration across all of the biological sciences courses becomes instrumental in your development. It highlights then the importance in your final year of your dissertation. Our students benefit from our ongoing research as a team, which covers a breadth of biological science topics, including cancer biology, reproductive biology, hemostasis, and microbiology, especially antibiotic resistance.
I chose USW because it had really amazing facilities, and I felt like studying a scientific subject, you want those good facilities they can offer.
We have state-of-the-art laboratories that our students access from year 1 and within the first week of their studies with us. One of the key essential parts of this is hands-on skills, and the moment you step in the lab, you find out how good a scientist you are. These go from basic essential skills such as pipetting to state-of-the-art facilities such as our tissue culture lab, as well as the lab that you see here, which is the coagulation lab, where you learn the specialist techniques that NHS facilities and businesses use throughout the world.
So the support has been really amazing in USW. We've got very small class sizes, which means that the lecturers know us on a personal level. And also when you're stuck on something, the lecturers are able to assist us. The lecturers will try and adapt their learning so that I understand in more of a visual way, because that's the way that I learn.
As part of our design of our course, we've worked with the NHS as well as commercial partners to ensure that our graduates will have the skills that make them employable for the future. Our course is accredited by the Royal Society of Biology. This is a recognised body which maintains the high standards that goes with the breadth and depth of biology and everything that means around the world. As part of biomedical science, you have the opportunity to independently, with our support, apply for IBMS accreditation, which will obviously help with your career development, especially if you want to go into the NHS. Biomedical science gives our graduates a lot of employment opportunities, from the NHS and working in the laboratories there to teaching secondary school children about science and the joys and passion that goes with it, as well as potentially going on to further academic studies such as masters and PhDs.